Okay, here we are, week 2 of germination, and a lot of the guys are coming up. They're looking good. Gonna have to start doing some serious transplanting here. As you see, those tomatoes are just going nuts. The marigolds definitely need to be transplanted. They're getting a little bit long. Boy, the snaps, the petunias, not so many pansies, got a few coming. Got some columbines coming, that's going to be good. And again, my tomatoes are just going nuts there. We have one golden zucchini coming there. Another one looks like it's coming there. The other one's kind of sitting. It looks like it might be ready. So this first box, that's the Bloom Plus. The second one here, this is the Mars Hydro. And then we come over here to the Growtronics. And boy, you look at the tomatoes, especially my lemon boys, they are in desperate need of transplanting. Everything's going really good. It's a toss-up because I was using 3 different mediums to start growing. I think they're all pretty much equal for germinating. Now it's time to transplant and look at seedlings. And speaking of which, here's my bucket of dirt. And one thing you want to know about this, well, it's a combination of sphagnum moss, potting soil, jiffy potting soil usually, and vermiculite. Now I prefer the vermiculite over the zeolite because it puts micronutrients into the soil. But when you're transplanting, you want your mix to be a little moist, so when you squeeze it, it stays clumped up, you know, like that, but falls apart easily. If you squeeze it and it just turns back to dust, it's too dry, and you don't want it too wet either, so it's kind of a fine line. But I'll get busy with this, and I'm going to do a pile of transplanting. I'm looking at a number of these here little peat pellets that haven't got anything going. I'm going to grind them up and add them to my mix later. So there we have it, just a quick little update, and next week we'll be looking at the seedlings that I transplanted. Okay, so I'm now back. I've got a lot of the transplanting done. Didn't get it all done, as you can see. Ran out of my little seedling pots. But you can see this tray is doing good. And this is under the Mars Hydro. And it's nicely done up. Still need some more of these 2x6 or 2x3 6-cell setups. And my bigger plants over here into bigger pots. Still got a few slots to do. These guys need to find a place. But there we are. Didn't want to bore you with all the tedium of the last 2 hours of transplanting. But we'll see what happens. Bye.